If you bought a whittling kit from me, then this basics of carving video is especially for you. This goes along with the other tutorial videos that I made for each project that I offer. So let's talk about the basics of whittling and wood carving. Please be sure to use a sharp knife and wear a cut-proof glove if you are just a beginner. A cut-proof glove will protect you from a lot of things, but not everything. So still continue to be thoughtful and go slow. Have a clear mind and good lighting. There's a rule in wood carving that says to keep your flesh behind the blade. Sometimes that's easier said than done, but as a rule, it's a good one to follow. The basic tools to get started include things like a straight knife, a small handsaw, a V-tool, and a small gouge. If you're going to get into spoon carving, then you're probably going to want a hook knife as well. There are 4 basic cuts that you need to know in order to get started. The stop cut, the push and pull cuts, and the V cut. Now it's probably pretty obvious that my favorite whittling wood is cottonwood bark. Unfortunately, not everyone has it around, but there are plenty of other woods that a beginner can try, probably the most common of which is basswood. Wood, and especially bark, is a natural material, and the blanks will often have bits of rough outer bark still showing. Most of the time this will be carved away during the whittling process, but sometimes it isn't, and personally, I like having that reminder of where the wood came from. If you're interested in hunting for your own bark, I have several videos about bark hunting in Western Canada. I understand that there are many species and even hybrids of cottonwood bark all over. Be gentle when you're whittling with bark. It's a very soft material and it will crack, split, or break in layers. So remember, be gentle, go slow, and have fun. I hope these videos help you complete your whittling projects. Thanks for watching.